Happy New Year! I've not filmed anything in like a week because I was enjoying my break. I got awake and came in today and I feel like it's giving Dora the Explorer vibes. Like, I asked my friend what she thought about it and this is a picture she sent me. But I still like it nevertheless. Anyway, welcome back to another vlog. I went to Accra this morning to get a few things for graduation. Yeah, graduation is around the corner. And I have an idea of what I want. Of course, I'm going to make it because I can. I'll show you a number of things we bought at Accra. The first thing I'll show you is my graduation cloth. This is the color I went for. Like, I was looking for a color like this. It looks white on the camera, but it's more of a creamish, yellowish color. I got 4 yards because usually when I make pants, I use about 2 yards. And considering the fact that the top is a long sleeve and it's a little longer, I was like, just to be safe, I'll buy another 2 yards because I didn't want to buy a yard for that. It won't make sense. It feels like it's not brocade, it's not jacquard. I don't know what fabric it is. I should have asked. I didn't ask. I don't know what fabric it is, but it's not too stiff, it's not too flowy, so that's one thing I love about it. So yeah, so my sister made an impulse buy and she got this African print. I think it's high target, but it looks like Houdin. It's so beautiful. It's like an olive green. This one is not mine, but yeah, I'm making something for a friend of a friend. So this is the fabric I got. I'm really hoping you can see the texture. Yeah. Next thing, I got these. When I make things for clients, I just put it inside this one and I just put it in the bag. And I didn't have enough to wear this book. So it was like 35 cedis. You can see that. I got sellotape because I got brown paper. And usually when I'm drafting, I have to I say patch stuff, but sometimes I have to use the sellotape. So I got sellotape as well. What again did I get? I'm making my friend's graduation dress for her as well. So this is the fabric we settled on. She usually wears dark colors, so this is a little bit bold for her. But this is what we got. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. It's so cool. I think it was 25 cedis a yard. It's like a chiffon, and you can see the way it drapes. It's like a soft chiffon. I don't know if I'm even saying this right. The last thing I got zips. So you see at Accra, you can buy one zip. There's a rule, 12 for 5 cedis, but I think with the inflation it's now 12 for 6 cedis. You can pick the same color if you want, like Charlie, just do what you want as long as it's 12. But I picked 12 different colors. I was trying to keep in mind that her dress is this color, so I just picked different colors that might match it. So I have like brown, I have orange, I have like a gold. I have brown, orange, a gold. This one is not this one's a little bit light. And then I have like a bright yellow. That's my entire Accra haul. I don't know if I want to start drafting my graduation dress right now. I draped it on my dummy some time back and my dummy is not my size. So after I draped it, I had to take it off and make a few alterations to it. I'll do a sample and then we'll move from there.
I guess this is our last, but I just want you to know that I'm so glad that I got to know you.
I'm done cutting everything, and I just want to show you the pieces I have, or how many pieces I have. These are the sleeves. They had to be long because if you look clearly at the picture, it exceeds the wrist and goes like all the way to the fingertips. So I made allowance for that. It's kind of like this. The front, it's a little hard to understand the pattern, but let's go along. As we go on, you understand what I mean. It looks so weird, I know. There are folds at the top, so you'll see. And the back, it's going to be a zip at the back, and the left side of the back is not the same as the right side of the back. So this is the back with the facing, and then this the other side of the back with its facing as well. Gazing out the sun's burning, thinking back on the things that I did, reconstruct. I finished eating not so long ago, so I want to start working on the front part of the top. I just want to get like the folds together, and then I'll show you the idea that I had going. To be complacent, I fake it, I smile, but I'm faking. I fake it when I smile, when I well, since I catch up the time, I'll sleep with a woman, like a boo and things are sad. We haven't rushed, we haven't the square. Sifting through the things that are described. I close the sheets above my eyes.
Because of course I drank 2 cups of coffee on an empty stomach. Like, I literally have just amplified the situation to make it a lot worse than it is. I'm at 6 and...
There are so many things. My glass, I can't see. Okay, I can see now. There are so many things that need to be fixed on this. First of all, let's start with this armhole, because I feel like the armhole on this side is preventing this thing from closing, so I can add the sleeve to it. Because look at the gap. The gap is huge. It's not even like coming together. And as I'm trying to even pull it together, it's just doing that to my underarm. So I'll have to reduce this maybe by 1 inch and then cave in all the way up there. This side, the back of it overlaps by a lot. This is like 2 inches or so, so I have to get that off. And I also have to do the armhole for this side because it's really like close to my armpits, like it's literally poking me. And for this side, I like the way it opens, but I feel like this stitching is too high. Like the trousers is going to be literally the length of my shorts, so I think I'll have to stitch it probably up to here before it opens up and gives this little cute slits going on. But apart from that, yeah, everything else is okay. I think everything else is okay. Honestly speaking, the professionals that can like cut straight onto the fabric and then it fits perfectly on the first try, big ups to you guys, because I can't. There's so many things wrong. First of all, look, this is so tight. Like, my god. And I can't lift my hand comfortably. It will just tear. I won't lie to you, I don't know what to do. Okay. Let's see. Can you see what's wrong? I think me shortening this was a bad idea, because once I attach the sleeves, it looks weird. And now the whole thing is just like up when it should be sloping off my shoulder and looking like it's choking me. I don't know what to do. I think I'm just going to sleep. When I wake up, I'll figure it out, because I don't know what to do. We're going to sleep. Okay, I'll see you guys later. So it's the next day, just the same shirts, and I think I figured out what was wrong. So I'm going to correct the pattern instead of correcting the sample, because clearly I have butchered the sample. So let's go back to the pattern. And this is the top part of it. So I figured I'll just extend it about 3 inches and then curve into the armhole. Because when I tried to measure like how long the shoulder would be until it slopes down here, I think it was about 15 inches. This is naturally where the sleeve is supposed to be. So if I'm measuring it, that's about 15 inches. I don't know if I should do another sample before I cut into the graduation fabric, but I don't know. I'll think about it. New day, new energy. I would have loved to make a second sample before I cut into the fashion fabric, but I'm confident, 70% confident with the corrections I've made. So I'm just going to take the pattern and just like start cutting everything. Oh my god, no.
Sorry, I'm not the person I used to be.